Hi everyone, this is Sammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most simple coiled ring. So let's get started. I have a length of wire here. It's about 9 inches. Now I'm going to make one little coil on the end. Like that. And I'm going to use a marker that seems to be just about the right size for making a ring. And I'm going to wind it around this marker as many times as I can. And on this end, I'm just going to make one little coil again. And on this side, I'm just going to turn this over. You could leave it this way, but I'm going to turn it the other way. Like that. And that's how easy it is to make a simple coiled ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.